What you're watching is MCW MIG pipe-to-pipe welding, built for applications where consistency and weld integrity are non-negotiable. In manual processes, variations in travel speed, torch angle, and heat input often compromise joint quality. Here, those variables are eliminated. On the Nikit Engineer's horizontal circular welder, pipe rotation is precisely controlled, keeping the MIG arc stable across the entire circumference. That control delivers uniform heat input, consistent penetration, and a smooth, continuous weld bead from start to finish. The outcome is reduced distortion, minimal rework, and dependable results, batch after batch. For fabrication and industrial production, this means predictable weld quality with lower operator dependency. The final joint reflects process control, not chance. A clean circumferential weld, strong fusion, and a professional finish that meets global industrial expectations. MCW MIG welding on a made-in-India horizontal circular welding solution, engineered for precision, built for reliability, and ready for demanding applications worldwide.